Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your seat on United Airlines for more comfort and amenities, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure a better seat or cabin class. Step 1. Visit the United Airlines website or open the United mobile app on your device and log into your Mileage Plus account. Step 2. Navigate to My Trips to view your upcoming flight reservations. Step 3. Select the flight for which you want to upgrade your seat. Step 4. Click on Change Seat or Upgrade to view available seat options and upgrade opportunities. Step 5. Review available upgrade options including Economy Plus seats with extra legroom, Premium Plus, or Business Class upgrades. Step 6. Check if you're eligible for complimentary upgrades based on your Mileage Plus status. Premium members often receive free upgrades or discounted rates. Step 7. If purchasing an upgrade, select your preferred seat and review the price in miles or dollars. Step 8. Complete the payment process using your preferred method. After upgrading, your new seat assignment will be confirmed immediately and appear on your boarding pass. You'll also receive a confirmation email with your updated flight details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.